We're going to do the back piece next. So we're going to go through the same steps. We're going to go to camera, standard views, front view. We're going to draw a rectangle, any size first of all, and then we're going to change the size. Now the first number is the width, and it's whatever size you made your back piece for your device. So for me, iPhone 6, I made it 80 millimeters wide. Now the height is the same for all of it. It's always 75 millimeters tall. Press enter, it's very small. The zoom extends, makes it nice and big. So that represents our back piece. Now the next bit we're going to do is we're going to show where the holes are. So we're going to use the tape measure tool. And we're going to click on that bottom surface and we're going to bring up a dotted line. We're going to bring it up 12 millimeters from the bottom. Okay, so that's going to be the line that we're going to drill our two holes on. We can then use the tape measure tool to measure the distance from each side from where the center of our hole is. So we click on one side and then we pull it out, and let's just say it was 15 millimeters from that side where our hole goes. We type in 15 and that's going to be the center for our hole. And we do the same thing from the other side as well. Maybe that'll be 15 as well. So that's the center point for our circles, for our holes. So we're going to go to the circle tool next. We're going to put it onto that guide point and we're going to pull out a circle. Again, we'll make it any size we want to start with, but the size we want is, the hole size is 6 millimeters. Now that 6 millimeters is the diameter. So the radius would be 3. So there's our first hole, and we'll do the same thing over here. Any size we want, but change the radius afterwards to 3, giving us a diameter of 6. We can then select the bit in the middle, see how it goes dotted when we select it, and we can hit the delete button, and then we can see right through it. So we've already drilled our hole before we've made this into a 3-dimensional shape. All that's left to do now, again, is to pull it out into a 3-dimensional shape. Now the MDF is a little bit thicker than the plywood. So the MDF is actually 12 millimeters thick, not 9. Press enter, go file, save as, and we're going to call that the back piece.